easily the best color option right now for the CX-60. I think this is their hero color. This is really quite lovely. Of course, you have the soul red, black, there's a beige, there's a white, but this looks like the best color to have. And we start our journey with the latest Mazda CX-60. We're going to take our journey in the new CX-60.
Alright, thank you.
Are we going now? Now large screen.
Yeah, 1 minute.
New layout here. We still have this rotary knob. I like this. Oh, you got MI drive here. Me drive. Different instrument cluster. New steering wheel design. But everyone is going to love the big screen. Everybody wants a big screen. The convoy starts in Glenmarie. As you can see, there's a few cars in front of us. There's one at the back. There's one at the back. The new Mazda nose treatment. There is a difference, especially when you have it side by side, then only you notice how different it is. But if you don't see it side by side, you'll think, hey, hardly any changes, but there is enough for you to see a difference.